Not all birds need to fly to make an impact. Some of the most fascinating avian creatures spend their lives grounded, proving that the wonders of nature aren't always in the skies. Let's journey through the lives of some species of ground birds, a diverse world of domesticated fowls and wild marvels. Ground birds have shared a long history with humans. Take the humble chicken, for example. Domesticated from the red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia, chickens are now a global staple, laying billions of eggs each year. Turkeys, native to North America, are another cherished bird, often symbolizing festivities and feasts. Then there's the guinea fowl, a speckled beauty originating from Africa, known for its loud calls and pest-controlling prowess. Peafowls, with their dazzling feathers, add a regal charm to estates, while ducks and geese waddle through farms, offering eggs, meat, and companionship. Peafowls, with their dazzling feathers, add a regal charm to estates, while ducks and geese waddle through farms, offering eggs, meat, and companionship. Each of these birds may live alongside us, but their instincts and behaviors still echo their wild ancestry. Beyond farms and backyards lies a world of wild ground birds, each with unique adaptations. Ostriches, the giants of the bird kingdom, are built for speed, not flight. Found in Africa, they sprint across the savannas, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour to evade predators. Emus, their Australian cousins, are equally swift and strong, navigating rugged terrains with ease. Meanwhile, the kiwi, New Zealand's national icon, uses its extraordinary sense of smell to forage for food, making up for its lack of wings with a sharp beak and excellent instincts. And the cassowary, often called the most dangerous bird, combines beauty and strength with its striking casque and razor-sharp claws. Some of these flightless wonders thrive in remote protected ecosystems. The Galapagos Islands are home to the flightless cormorant, a bird that traded its wings for exceptional diving skills. In the highlands of New Zealand, the takahe, a brilliantly coloured bird once thought extinct, has made a miraculous comeback thanks to conservation efforts. On the tiny, inaccessible island in the Atlantic Ocean, the world's smallest flightless bird, the rail, thrives in isolation, perfectly adapted to its rugged habitat. Parenting is a critical chapter in the lives of ground birds, and their methods are as diverse as the species themselves. Hens build cozy, secluded nests to safeguard their eggs, while ostriches create a communal nursery where one dominant pair takes the lead in protecting the brood. Guinea fowls and quails rely on camouflage and speed, teaching their precocial chicks to run and hide within hours of hatching. These parenting strategies reflect the delicate balance between survival and nurturing in the wild. Their lifespans also tell a story of resilience and adaptation. The ostrich, with its hardy physique, can live up to 40 years even in harsh conditions. Emus and cassowaries thrive for 20 years or more, defying the challenges of their wild habitats. In contrast, domesticated birds like chickens live around 5 to 10 years when well cared for, while turkeys have similar lifespans under the right conditions. Smaller ground birds such as quails may only live a few years, but their rapid breeding cycles ensure their populations stay strong. Smaller ground birds such as quails may only live a few years, but their rapid breeding cycles ensure their populations stay strong. From the savannas of Africa to the forests of New Zealand and the deserts of Australia, ground birds have mastered life on Earth's surface. They've adapted to walk, run and forage, thriving in environments as diverse as their species. Their stories remind us that you don't need to fly to rise above. You just need the right tools to adapt and flourish. Thank you so much for watching and learning about these incredible birds. If you loved this grounded adventure, please subscribe for more. There's always another wild story waiting to be told.